Could it be possible that tomorrow we wake up and God just changes all these quote physical laws? And
well, that would amount to a global wipe.
Oh, okay.
Because to establish continuity between the universe that was and the universe that now is, you'd have to have a higher set of laws that would allow you to move smoothly from one to the other.
Okay.
All right? And then that would become your new reality. Now you'd once again have an unbroken, continuous reality. Okay?
I wonder how...
If you're talking about changing truly basic laws, then you're going to have a break. And you're not going to be able to establish continuity between what was and what will be. So let's talk about global. It sounds a little bit paradoxical to do this, but global can be defined on any of several levels. Usually what most people mean when they say global is the earth. So, okay, on the one hand, God could wipe the earth by causing a great geological upheaval to occur that would simply plow everything under and put a new crust on the surface of the earth, and you wouldn't see any sign that anything had gone before. That goes all the way up to the cosmos itself, in which case God could rewrite the laws of physics. He could say, you know, I've built all these planets, I've put intelligent species on them, they're all garbage. None of them are working out. All of these beings, these entities in them, none of them measure up to my standards. They're all, you know, none of them satisfy me, none of them gratify me. Obviously, these laws aren't working. I have got to rewrite the laws and start over with a whole new cosmos, a whole new universe. Okay, that kind of global wipe is also possible for God, and only for God, right? But that will preserve nothing that has gone before unless God has retracted it up to his highest level of being, so that then he can reproject it downward once the universe changes. That's why a global wipe on that scale is terribly, terribly risky for everybody in reality.
Even in heaven? So those in heaven would be affected.
In order to get up to heaven, you're going to need to be retracted all the way into God, in which case you can be shielded from that. You can be made continuous so that you can make the jump from one physical universe to another, but your syntax will have to be changed. He'll have to change your cognitive syntax along with the syntax of reality when he does that. So you're not going to be able to maintain your entire identity as you know it right now in the case of a global wipe. Everybody will have to change. Everybody will have to adapt to the new reality. And that will mean, to a certain extent, a change of identity. That's why you don't want the global wipe to happen. The only thing that survives absolutely intact is God.